Damn, I tried to pull forward.
Fucking Mission Impossible.
Oh god, I'm sorry.
Rip snack bar.
Nah, I'm good. That
Can we not? Can we
makes
not?
sense.
We're on mission.
Oh yeah.
You what?
Right, alright, let's up to
Just throw explosive. Oh god. If that had blown up my
Get away
car.
from my bike. Get away from it. It's on fire. Get away. Get away. Get away. Get away. Get away. My bike. All right, I think it's done.
Oh, that is good.
I'm gonna back
Bye,
park a
bro.
little bit further away from it. We'll just go
I'm gonna
flat
I'm
sideways.
gonna try and hit this helicopter from a distance
Me too.
with a rocket. Oh, it's locking onto your cars.
Yeah, don't do that.
That would be very bad.
I said stuff about parents. That's who said stuff, Jen.
Walked in your parents having sex a week ago, and you were like, "So, do I need to come back later?"
Convoy's almost on you. Get ready to take out the Merryweather detail and get the truck.
The heli's not coming.
What the fuck? All right, just open fire on shit then.
Okay.
Driver of the truck's down.
Get that 50 cal.
Ow, 50 cal fucking hurts.
50 gal gunner's down. Driver of that truck's down.
The fucking fire.
That guy just gave me the bird. He's still giving me the bird. Holy shit. He just pulled up and...
Hey, that chopper's still coming in, by the way.
Where?
It's not.
just
It's
see it on the
fucking
radar.
like stuck. Nice.
I
think they're all dead.
Oh, no,
No, there's still one out there.
Let's get the truck.
There's still one out there.
He's not gonna kill me. Famous last words.
Got him.